My dash cam saved me thousands of dollars. Recently crashed my car. Upon the scene of the accident, I was deemed at fault because there was no witnesses. Nobody stuck around, which meant I only had one chance to get this ticket resolved. And this was one of the toughest tickets to beat. I presented my case, I presented the dash cam footage to the prosecutor, and I got that ticket overruled. Not only did I save the 2 points on my license and the hike in my insurance after an accident, but I even got my $1,000 deductible back. So here's my public service announcement to you. Stop whatever you're doing and go get yourself a dash cam. This is for your own protection. Thanks to my dash cam, I get to put this whole accident right where it belongs.